Welcome to Sweet Angel TV, where we bring you the best home remedies for smooth hands and feet without wrinkles. In this video, we will share effective ways to achieve wrinkle-free hands and feet using simple skincare tips. But first, let's dive into a natural rejuvenating recipe that will revitalize your hands and feet. For this recipe, you will need 1 teaspoon of almond oil, 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1/2 cup of sea salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. To create the nourishing paste, simply combine these ingredients together. Once the paste is ready, gently apply it to your hands and feet, making sure to cover all areas. Leave the mixture on for 10-15 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. After the designated time, rinse off the paste with cool water. You will instantly feel the difference in the texture of your skin. Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to younger-looking hands and feet. Now here's a bonus tip for you. Once a week, treat your hands to a warm milk soak. Heat 2 cups of whole milk in the microwave for 30-45 seconds, then soak your hands in the warm milk for 10-15 minutes. Afterward, generously moisturize your hands to lock in the moisture. By following these simple at-home solutions, you can enjoy smoother, wrinkle-free hands and feet. So why wait? Start incorporating these remedies into your skincare routine today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Sweet Angel TV for more amazing home remedies and beauty tips. Stay beautiful!